Good morning, students. Today we will study the flip-flops, and in your practical exams you are having only RS flip-flop. So today we will discuss about the RS flip-flop. So before discussing about RS flip-flop, let us discuss what is its truth table and what is its circuit diagram. Okay. So its circuit diagram and truth table I will explain here. Just observe. This is, here we are using NAND gate. Already we have discussed this. And what is a flip-flop? Flip-flop is a combinational logic circuit whose present output depends on previous output, right? This is Q. This is Q bar, this is R, this is S. So this is the circuit diagram of an RS flip-flop, you all know. Now let us see the truth table. For truth table we require R, S, Q, Q bar. These are your input, these are your output. So we are having truth table for 0, 0, it is an indeterminate case. For 0, 1, we are getting, this is Q, okay, not Q bar, we are getting 1, 0. For 1, 0, we are getting 0, 1. For 1, 1, there is no change. This is for 0, 0, this is for 0, 1, this is for 1, 0, and this is for 1, 1. Okay. Now, let us see how to construct it. So, this is a direct kit. Here only you have to construct using this connecting wires. Here output will be in the form of this LEDs. Okay. So, first of all, we have to connect. See, this is all interconnected. Only we have to give this input to the input terminals and output to the output terminals. So, see, R, I am connecting here, one input, another input is your S, I am connecting here. Now we have to connect the output. See, this is the Q bar, I am taking this as Q bar, I have mentioning here this is Q bar, this is Q, I have taken like that, okay, and this is Q. Okay, output. So we all have given everything. Only thing we have to do is the checking, verification of the truth table of your RS flip-flop. Now first, so first of all, see, firstly I told for 0, 0 it is indeterminate. So let us see what will happen for 0, 0. See, I am switching on. When both are towards down, we are getting 0, 0. Okay, ila 1, it cheste 0, it tipte 1, ఇటు తిప్పితే 0. సో 0, 0లో చూడండి రెండు ఎల్ఈడీలు వెలిగాయి. బట్ మనకి అవుట్పుట్ ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? క్యూ బార్. అంటే ఒకటి 0 అయితే ఖచ్చితంగా ఇంకోటి ఏంటి అవ్వాలి? 1 అవ్వాలి. బట్ ఇక్కడ 0, 0 పెట్టినప్పుడు రెండు వెలుగుతున్నాయి అంటే రెండు 1లు వచ్చాయని అర్థం. సో దిస్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అన్ ఇండిటర్మైన్డ్ కేస్. ఓకే, దిస్ విల్ నెవర్ కమ్. నౌ లెట్ us మేక్ R equals to 0, S equals to 1. When R equals to 0, S is equals to 1, we are getting Q equals to 1, Q bar equals to 0. See, this is what here is also written. When R is 0, S is 1, Q is 1, Q bar is 0. This condition is known as your set condition. Okay, this condition is known as set condition. Now the next condition is when R is 1, S is 0. So see, when R is 1, S is 0. Which LED is indicating? Q bar, and Q becomes 0. See, Q is 0, Q bar is 1. This is known as reset. Now, there is written when both inputs are high, there is no change. So what does it mean? For suppose right now we are in the condition of reset. that is r equals to 1, s is equals to 0. We are getting q bar equals to 1 and q is equals to 0. Now for suppose if I will make both 1, we will get the same output as the previous. ప్రీవియస్గా ఏంటి వచ్చింది, క్యూ బార్ 1 వచ్చింది, ఇప్పుడు కూడా క్యూ బార్ 1 వస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఫార్ సపోజ్ మనం సెట్ కండిషన్లో పెట్టామనుకోండి, సెట్ కండిషన్లో పెడితే ఏమవుతుందమ్మా, క్యూ బార్ అనేది 1 అయ్యి క్యూ అనేది 1 అయ్యి క్యూ బార్ 0 అవుతుంది. సో ఈ సిచ్యువేషన్ తర్వాత ఇమీడియట్గా 1 1కి కనుక మనం షిఫ్ట్ అయితే సేమ్ అవుట్పుట్టే మళ్ళీ వస్తుంది. అంటే 1 1 కేసులో ఏమవుతుందంటే ప్రీవియస్గా అవుట్పుట్ ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో అదే అవుట్పుట్ మీకు మళ్ళీ 1 1 కేసులో వస్తుంది. 1 1 కేసు ముందు మీరు సెట్ కండిషన్ పెడితే సెట్ కండిషన్ వస్తుంది, రీసెట్ కండిషన్ పెడితే రీసెట్ కండిషన్ వస్తుంది. ఓకేనమ్మా. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద RS flip-flop. In this experiment you don't need to do anything, you have to just verify the truth table. Okay, thank you, hope you all understand.